Hi and welcome back to Garfin's Creation. In this video, we'll be doing an apple chicken burger in orange sauce. The ingredients are mentioned in the description box below. So let's begin. First, we'll be making the chicken patty. For that, I've taken 1/4 kg chicken mince. To this, I'll be adding half an apple which is grated and 1 small onion finely chopped. I have taken half a cup of poha which I have washed, adding this too, which will give a good binding to the chicken patty. Next, I'll be adding 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, mixed herbs, that is half a teaspoon jeera powder and half a teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust salt as per taste. Combine all the ingredients well by mashing it with your fingers. Now once this is done, let us form the chicken patties. Take a good amount of the chicken mixture and tighten it by pressing between your hands and then flatten it. There is no need of any egg or breadcrumbs to roll the patty. Just roll it round and we'll be frying it later. And now I'll be making the rest of the burger patties. I've got a total of 5 pieces from the 1/4 kg mince. To fry the burger patties, take enough oil and heat it in a pan and then add a few at a time and fry them till they are golden brown on both the sides. Cook the burger patties for at least 5 to 7 minutes on each side. This chicken burger patty will get caramelized fast because of the apples. So need to keep a check and cook them on medium heat till they are golden brown on both sides. The grated apples will be adding sweetness to these chicken patties. You can always add a little bit of chili flakes to make them a bit spicy. The chicken burger patties have been cooked for at least 6 minutes on each sides, and now they are ready and be taking them out and frying the rest of the burger patties. These patties are very juicy and tasty on its own. Now let's do the next step, that is the sauce. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and to that add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and cook it till the rawness of the ginger is gone. Almost 30 to 40 seconds is enough. I have been cooking this on medium flame since I have been using a steel pan. If you are using a non-stick pan, you can adjust the flame accordingly. And now to this I'll be adding 3/4 cup of fresh orange juice. Fresh orange juice is the main ingredient of this orange sauce. To this I'll be adding half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon sugar and half a teaspoon of soya sauce. Stir in the ingredients well and let it now cook for 2 minutes. Keep stirring in between. And now, after stirring for 2 minutes, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix both the ingredients well and let this too come to a boil. Now it starts boiling. I will lower the flame and let it simmer for 2 minutes till the mixture thickens up a bit. In the meantime, make a corn slurry of half a teaspoon of corn flour with 1 tablespoon of water and add this to the boiling mixture and stir it well. I will stir for a minute and let the corn flour cook up well. Until then, our sauce too will be thick and ready. Our orange sauce is ready and now we can switch off the flame. To this hot sauce itself, I'll be adding the chicken patties which we had prepared earlier. Coat the chicken patties with the orange sauce so it becomes nice and juicy. Coating the apple chicken burger patty in the orange sauce makes it a very different burger from the normal ones which you get outside. See how lovely and already looking tempting. So now let's assemble the burger. I'll be toasting the burger breads with a little bit of butter. Making both the sides crisp so that the mayonnaise does not make the bread soggy. So now let's assemble the burger. First I'll be applying some mayonnaise on both sides. Next I'll be layering some iceberg lettuce followed by some onion rings. Then add the juicy chicken patty which has soaked in all the orange sauce. Place it over the onion rings and add some more of the orange sauce over it to make it even more juicier. Then goes the cheese slice and some tomato slices. And then some iceberg lettuce again and cover the top of the burger. Here is a cherry tomato on a toothpick. I'll be inserting this into the burger bread so that it holds all the things together. Our juicy apple chicken burger in orange sauce is all ready to be eaten. I'm going to enjoy this and I hope you too will be making and enjoy it too. Till we meet again in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.